Hi friends, today we are discussing about Medieval World Centers of Power, Chapter 1 of History textbook. The medieval world, what do you mean by medieval world? The medieval period. The medieval period is mainly between the 5th and the 15th century. CE is known as the medieval period. CE means Common Era. The medieval period is also known as Dark Age. So the Roman Empire, there was an empire called the Roman Empire. The Roman Empire was very powerful in the medieval period. The Roman Empire extended in Europe, Asia and Africa, the three continents. So it is very powerful. So there was a king, ruler known as Diocletian. He divided the Roman Empire into two in the 4th century. So thus there emerged two Roman empires, the Western Roman Empire and Eastern Roman Empire. Here we want to study about the Eastern Roman Empire. The Eastern Roman Empire's capital was Constantinople and the Western Roman Empire was Rome. The Constantinople is also known as Byzantium. So the Eastern Roman Empire was otherwise called Byzantium Empire. There was a famous ruler in the Eastern Roman Empire. It was Justinian. The greatest contribution of Justinian is the codification of all the existing Roman laws into a code of law. He made a code of law or a set of law from all the existing Roman laws. It was called Corpus Juris Civilis. The Corpus Juris Civilis or the Justinian's code is based on the principles of reasoning, justice and generosity. His law is also served as the base for the code of law of the French ruler Napoleon. Napoleon, the French ruler, served as the base of his code of the law as the Justinian code, Corpus Juris Civilis. The Corpus Juris Civilis have three parts: the code, the digest, the institute. The code contained the laws prevailed in the Roman Empire. It was already existing laws of the Roman Empire. The book containing the laws prevailed in the Roman Empire is the code. The digest means the book which record the opinion of the jurist. Jurist means scholars or well-educated peoples. So the opinions of the jurists regarding the law. And the institute means the small book intended for study of law. The Eastern Roman Empire began to decline after Justinian. It collapsed with the capture of Constantinople by the Turks in the 15th century. The Turks or the Turkish, they captured the Constantinople, which was the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire, and it became collapsed. The next topic is the Holy Roman Empire. Did you know how the title became Holy Roman Empire? The Western Roman Empire, the territories of the Western Roman Empire were captured by different nomadic tribes. The most prominent one was Franks. The Franks came from the France, and the empire established by the Franks was Frankish Empire. They have an empire called Frankish Empire. The famous emperor in the Frankish Empire was Charlemagne of the Carolingian dynasty. Did you know the Pope Leo III, the spiritual head of the Catholic Church? Charlemagne saved him or Pope Leo III from the tribal attack of Lombards. For a token of gratitude, the Pope crowned him as the Holy Roman Empire. Hence, his empire came to be known as the Holy Roman Empire. So, this Western Roman Empire was captured by the Franks, and the most famous Frankish empire called Charlemagne saved the Pope Leo III, the head of Catholic Church, from the tribal attack of Lombards, and the Pope crowned him as the Holy Roman Empire, and the Frankish Empire became the Holy Roman Empire.